Okay. For my comeback vlog, no, I think it's prudent, it's proper that I start my comeback sa vlog, no, to discuss yung three-way tests na meron ako. Parang yung four-way test ng Rotary Club, di ba? So meron silang four-way test yung is it the truth? Is it fair to all concerned? With the goodwill, a better friendship? Blah, 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 blah. So meron silang four-way test, no? Personally, me, I have a three-way test, no? So it's how we live, no? Yung buhay natin. And I have yung parang ganun din, no? So, let me share it to you, no? Para naiintindihan nyo ba't ko ginagawa yung mga bagay-bagay, ba't ko ginagawa yung LCIF, ba't ko ginagawang mag-invest, ba't ko ginagawang magnegosyo, ba't ko ginagawang mag-poker, ba't ko ginagawang mag-basketball, ba't ko ginagawang blah 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 blah. Ba't ko ginagawa yung mga ginagawa ko? So, I have three ways, no? I have a three-way test. First, and dapat yun masatisfy lahat. First is, will it truly make you happy? Will doing LCIF truly make you happy? Will playing poker truly make you happy? Will whatever it is, helping other people truly make you happy? Will it truly make you happy? That's the first test. If your answer is yes, then ayos. Now, but the second test, and it should be all yes. Second test, will it bring no harm to others in the process? Ginagawa mo nga yung ganito, pero nakakasama naman sa ibang tao. Meron ka namang ibang natatapakan tao. Meron ka namang ibang naiistorbong tao, nasasaktang tao. De, wag mong gawin. So, will it truly make you happy? If the answer is yes, then good. Will it bring no harm to others in the process? Wala ka ba masasaktan? Then good. And last but not the least, no? Are you prepared to face its consequences? Because every action, there's an equal reaction. Positive, negative, meron niyang consequence lagi. So are you prepared to face its consequences? If the answer is no, then don't do it. So it should be yes, yes, yes on the three tests. Otherwise, if you answer one no, at least one no, then it is something that you should not do. I do not recommend that you do it. But if your answer to the questions are all yes, first question yes, second question yes, third question yes, then it's something that you should do. Because at the end of the day, life is short and you should do what you want to do. Okay?